Hey guys, if you're looking for some type of outdoor solar security light, this is one I recommend you check out. This thing is really nice. As you can see, it's really bright. Also, it's super easy to install. All you're going to do is just grab this little bracket. You can screw it into your wall, or right here, I'm even putting it into this wood part of my deck. It has a little piece right here on the bottom where you can clip it out if you need to move it, which is not too bad. But all you're going to do is just slide this right in, and it just fits really nice in here. And then you have all of these movable features, so you can slide out the wings if you want to. You can also adjust the solar panel right here on the top as well. So whatever you need to do, and it has a couple different features on that as well. As you can see, this is it. Just slide it right in there, and it is clipped in and ready to go. And again, it's braced and nice. So you can tilt this and adjust it however you want to, and if you need to move it like I showed you, you can just move that little tab. But has a great feature where, again, you can move the solar panel so that it can get maximum sun, and then you can adjust the lights as well. So whichever way you want them to point, if you want to point all forward, you can do that, or to the side or down or up or whatever it needs to be. Has a lot of different features. And then here is the back. I wanted to show you guys this. It has multiple different settings. You can have an off mode if you want. Has an A setting and a B setting, so however long you want the light to stay on once someone trips it, you can do that. And so really cool, really easy to use. And again, this is what the back looks like. Again, that piece just slides right in. But overall, I think it's a great option. It looks really good, looks really clean, and it doesn't take a lot of solar to actually run this, so which is nice. And also, you don't have to deal with wires or any kind of thing like that. You just plug this up, or drill this in somewhere, and put it up there, and it works really well. So overall, highly recommend you check this thing out. Works really well. I think it's going to be great.